This course will examine what clients are looking for from your organization. A focus on selling to millennials will provide ideas on how to reach younger markets and get them interested in your organization as a whole instead of a single product or service. What is the future of sales? How will you need to adapt to your work environment? What changes are trending in remote offices, work-life balance, and what are the causes and effects impacting the world of sales? How will you respond to building community with clients online? The sales course focuses on mastering sales, improving skills, relationships, and teaching participants how to build relationships in new ways, given the changes and uncertainties brought by the next normal. This course will cover the following topics. 1, understanding the changes in customer behavior and the expectations of the next normal. 2, developing new communication and relationship building skills to adapt to the changes. Number 3, anticipating and managing change effectively. Number 4, innovative ways to build trust and rapport with customer. And finally, utilizing technology and digital tools to enhance relationships. This course will be a blend of case studies and interactive exercises to help participants apply the concepts to real-world scenarios. By the end of the course, participants will have acquired the skills and knowledge needed to build and maintain relationships in the ever-changing business environment.